Hello and welcome to today's English listening practice. The topic is, have you tried this? We'll explore new ideas that can help you learn faster, live better, and feel more motivated. You'll hear useful phrases, real examples, and practice speaking. Let's get started. Have you tried this? Is a simple question. We use it when we suggest something new. It means, have you done this before? Maybe it can help you. We use this question when sharing advice, when recommending something, when we want to help someone try a new idea. Examples: have you tried using flashcards to study? Have you tried drinking more water every morning? Have you tried taking short walks when you feel tired? Simple things you should try. 1. Have you tried writing down your goals? Writing goals helps you remember them and take action. 2. Have you tried the Pomodoro method? Work for 25 minutes. Rest for 5. It helps you focus better. 3. Have you tried learning with songs? Listening to music in English helps you understand faster. 4. Have you tried talking to yourself in English? Yes, talk to yourself. It's great practice for speaking. 5. Have you tried sleeping early? Sleep gives your brain power. Better rest, better results. Vocabulary from this section: motivation, the reason to keep going. Routine, things you do regularly. Break, a short rest. Method, a way of doing something. Real conversations using the phrases. Conversation 1. Two friends at a cafe. A. I feel so tired every day. B. Have you tried drinking less coffee and more water? A. No. I should try that. Conversation 2. Classmates talking about studying. A. I can't remember anything I read. B. Have you tried making a mind map? A mind map? No. What's that? Conversation 3. Talking about exercise. A. I want to start running, but I don't know how. B. Have you tried using a fitness app? A. Not yet, but that's a good idea. Practice sentences. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat these sentences. Have you tried learning English every morning? Have you tried writing a daily journal? Have you tried using English when you shop? Have you tried learning with a friend? Have you tried asking questions in English? Have you tried speaking out loud at home? Repeat after me and practice your pronunciation. Today you learned how to ask, have you tried this? This simple question can open new ideas and better habits. Remember, trying something new can change your life. So, have you tried changing just one thing today? Thank you for listening. Keep learning English and keep trying new things. See you next time.
Thank you for watching.